If you want to make a great LinkedIn profile, the goal is simple. Make it easy for the right people to understand who you are, what you do, and why they should connect with you. In this video, I'll walk you through the most important parts of a strong LinkedIn profile, step by step, so you can make yours look professional, polished, and recruiter-ready. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical tutorials like this. First, let's start with your profile photo. Your photo should be high quality, recent, and professional. A good rule is to have your face fill about 60% of the frame so people can clearly recognize you. Choose a friendly expression, smile naturally, and dress the way you would for the type of work you want. A clean, confident headshot instantly makes your profile feel more trustworthy and complete. Next, update your banner image. Many people leave the default gray background in place, but that's a missed opportunity. Your banner is one of the first things people see, so use it to support your personal brand. You can choose an image that reflects your industry, your personality, or your expertise. For example, if you work in real estate, a city skyline can work well. If you're in tech or design, a clean branded graphic can make your profile look much more intentional. After that, focus on your headline. This is one of the most important parts of your profile because it appears everywhere, including search results and connection requests. Don't just put your job title. Instead, use the 220 characters to explain what you do, who you help, and the value you bring. A strong headline should sound clear and specific, like a mini marketing statement for your career. For example, instead of just saying marketing analyst, you could say marketing analyst, data-driven storyteller, helping SaaS firms increase ROI. That tells people far more about your skills and impact. Now, let's improve your profile URL. LinkedIn gives you a public profile link, but you should customize it so it looks cleaner and more professional on your resume, email signature, or portfolio. A simple custom URL is easier to share and easier for recruiters to remember. To do that, edit your public profile link so it looks neat and polished rather than using a long random string of numbers and letters. Another useful feature is Open to Work. If you are actively searching for a job, turn this on so recruiters know you are available. It can increase your visibility and help hiring managers understand your intent right away. Just make sure you use the setting in the way that best fits your job search strategy. Once these core pieces are in place, your profile already looks much stronger. A professional photo builds trust, a custom banner adds personality, a clear headline improves discovery, a clean URL makes you look polished, and the Open to Work feature can help with visibility. These changes may seem small, but together they make a huge difference in how people perceive your profile. So take a few minutes today to update each section carefully, and don't rush it. The best LinkedIn profiles are clear, confident, and easy to understand at a glance. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.